how Shamana Sneha is used in psoriasis, whether it will increase Agni or whether that will cause symptoms related to itching. So let me simplify the question. It's a little bit complex. Use of Sneha in skin disorders.
See, very clear. We are selecting a Shamana Aushadhi in case of skin disorders in a very typical manner, and the drug of selection or the yoga selection would be very clearly Mahatikta Grita or Panchatikta Gulugrita. So when we use Panchatikta Gulugrita or Mahatikta Grita, it is itself is doing Shamana of the condition involved or the doshas involved. Second thing, they are in the form of Gritha. So when it is in the Grita format, definitely it will going to increase the Agni. It won't suppress the Agni. This is the point number one. Second thing, we are giving in a Shamana dosage. Definitely it will not hamper the Agni. Third point is that we are using such a drug combination or yoga, which is pointed or aimed at the disease itself. So definitely it is not going to increase the symptoms of the diseases. So that's why I never come across in my any of the patients of psoriasis, when I use the Shamana Sneha continuously, repetition of itching or something has arisen because of this, I never come across. So I don't agree or I don't accept that things will happen, because when you use Mahatikta Grita or Panchatikta Gulu Grita, we never come across such a situation.
In which skin conditions you will go for herbal ghee as the medicine form? Or in which conditions you would avoid herbal ghee and go for like kashaya tablets and whatever, what else?
As such, there is no hard and fast rule that it should not be done. Even all the three doshas involved skin conditions, we can go for the Ghritas. The only provided ideal situation would be any Vataja dominant or Vataja condition resulting in a skin condition where Rukshata is more, when there is involvement of particularly Vata in such a way that it is causing lot of dryness and wasting. In such conditions, I usually prefer this Ghrita should be in the format. Otherwise, if there is a oozing and such type of things are there, then Amritadi Gugulu would be the right one, where I will go for that, or even Panchatikta Gugulu, I will go for that. Once the oozing stops, itching stops, then I shift on to Ghrita format.
The reason why you are stressing on this Mahatikta Grita or Panchatikta Gugulu Grita is that bitter will do the Shamana also. We generally think that bitters are more antibacterial in nature. So what is the thinking?
It is not like that, because we know that Kushta or the general skin conditions is involvement of Vata, Pitta, Kapha, as well as there are Dushyas, Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda and Lasika. These all 7 factors are involved in that for the formation of the diseases in a various permutation and combination. So in that, whichever is involved, accordingly we will select the drugs in the best formats. So that depends on the presenting complaint in a skin disorders. Whether the presenting complaint is itching, then we accordingly plan the treatment. Khadira, Haridra, then all Panchatikta, this type of drugs, which will definitely going to reduce this. Then it not only reduces the Kapha, it also reduces the Pitta. So this where Kapha Pitta combined, any diseases are there, then also these are the drugs of choice. And most of the time, this Panchatikta Gulu Grita or Mahatikta Grita, these type of combinations are Vyadhi Pratyanika yogas. They are having specific Falashruti also. Based on that, we use these drugs in all sort of people, all sort of Prakriti. It doesn't mean that it should be given in a particular type of thing. No, it is almost in most of the patients, it will be useful. Only thing is that we need to understand, if there is excessive oozing, we should not use Grithas. Once there is a dryness, or when there is a burning sensation, when there is a pus formation, then we can go for to some extent.
I'm going with that question that has come, that in the Shamana Sneha, when we are giving, like herbal ghees when we are giving, is there any chance that it will increase the kapha dosha so much so that client may generate itching as a symptom?
That may not be possibility. That's what I explained. Because first thing is, even though Gritha is a Vichitra Pratyartha Dravya, even though it is having all the Madhurasa, Madhuraipak and everything, it is Agni Vardaka and it is not Kapha Vardaka to such an extent which will cause a disease. Second thing, we are giving such a samskarita grita, which is having samskarana with various pitta and kapha shamana aushadis there. So when kapha and pitta shamana aushadis are in the form of grita and we are using it, even in a shamana format or even in a shodhana format, it won't increase the lakshanas of the disease. It cannot be.
And